So hello friends, I'm Mr. Makanto. Today I'm going to talk about this. Now, you might wonder, what is this? Well, this is Persimmon. And technically, morphologically, it's a berry, just like tomatoes. Even though you would not really consider this as a berry. So yeah, we got that out of the way. Now, where does this usually grow? Usually grows in subtropical regions and regions that are warm but temperate. Now, where does these originate from? Well, they originated from, the top half of Asia, with the exception of Russia, because it's just too cold. Anyways, it's seasonally too cold. And yeah, now it was first in China and then spread to Japan, which is the earliest spread. So they are cultivated there and etc. And then when they contacted towards other nations, the bottom half of Asia, such as Indonesia, and the rest, they just do it through trading and then cultivated here. And then the Europeans came in, brought it, and then cultivated there in Europe and America, because they already conquered America. Yes, they already went to America first, and then here, and then traded. And yeah, that's about it for the history of this. Now you might wonder, is that there's like only one flavor or what? Well, technically there's more flavors than in one single fruit, but I think you mean that any different tastes, I guess, different tastes in plants. Well, to that I say yes, there is. Like this one isn't like, kind of, the taste is kind of unsettling, sort of, if you eat it straight from the tree. But there is another one that has none of that unsettling tastes, like quite a lot of discomfort if you eat it from the tree. There is another one that does not, so you can just eat it immediately once you pick it off the tree. So yeah, how do you eat that then? For this one, I think you need to treat this first. Like this one, yeah, you need to treat it first. You see this white scales, I guess. These white scales. This one. Like these that cover the entire thing. Except for the top, Like these. Yeah, you can see it. Well, they are the leftovers of a process known as submerging this into chalk water to get rid of that unsettling taste. Yes, however, if you find this on the, not an unsettling one, does not have the unsettling taste or the discomforting one, it just might be an insect. And yeah, that is not good. Not very good. Or if you find it in your dried fruit, dried persimmons, I think. Yeah, it is fine. It's just sugar and alcohol, a mixture of the both. And yeah, because that's what you get when you ferment stuff or dry stuff. You get that. So yeah, I guess we could try it. But wait, I forgot to mention something. I literally forgot how to mention that. How to eat it? Well, for the ones that don't have the unsettling taste, you could just eat it from the tree. Slice it. Or if you just got it from the supermarket, then wash it or peel it. Or maybe both, but then what is the washing for? And then you can eat the insides. However, yes, the skin is edible. But sadly, you do not know what the fruit has gone through. So yeah, I suggest you peeling it. Now, for this one, as you can see here, there is chalk all over it. Do you want to eat chalk? If you don't, well then you peel it. Once you peel it and then you cut it. Now you might ask, what is the difference between that? Well, the difference is one is obligated and the other is like an option. And also, another difference is in the time you consume it. For the first one, which does not have the unsettling taste or discomforting taste, yeah, well, you better eat it when it is firm and also ripe. You don't want to eat it when it is unripe, because then you get the unsettling taste. But for this one, as you can see here, this one, well, you just eat it later on when it becomes sort of mushy. Yeah, you eat later on when it's mushy, but ripe. Still ripe. Otherwise, if you eat it like a few days after that, yeah, no, you probably get a decomposing fruit or something, and you cannot consume it anymore. So yeah, I guess we could try it, but first you need to know which is ripe or not first. We haven't even tried it. Now you can see here, like there is this bit kind of orangey. This one is not kind of orangey. You pick the orangey one if you want to consume it. Like this one. This one is kind of orange. This one is just green, mostly, with a little bit of brown somehow. And yeah, so that's how you pick the right one. You can just see it through the skin. No, not really true, but you can see that if it is ripe or not by looking at the skin. So yeah, I guess we could try it now, finally. So yeah, we are back. Now, this is the insides. The color is like that. And also you can see like white strips. Yeah, those are the fibers. And yeah, also, what is this? Well, this is the center of the fruit. It also contains the seed, which I would not recommend for you to eat it because, you know, it's kind of a waste of your time. It's not lethal though. It is not lethal. I think it's better for you to just throw it down the trash, or you can use it to plant another persimmon tree. So yeah, I guess I can taste it. Oop. I mean the center, like there is a kind of center, I guess. It is kind of, you know, firm, and then like it's kind of sweet, and yeah, there's something like weird, a little bit. Like I don't know what, but something it's either empty, but it is also with the sweet, or it just blocks the taste. Now that I think about it, yeah, it's just empty. Other than a little bit of sweet, and yeah, this is for the one that is not quite weird, like the one that is weird, sort of. It just got reduced by the salt water. If you try the other one, I haven't tried the other one. Now I have tried this one for this time only, like this is the first time, technically. But for the other version or species, version I guess, the other version, no, I have not yet tried it. Can you just tell me what does it taste like in the case that you have ever tried it? So yeah, I guess that's it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.